world continues to consume information in new ways, which has increased the demand for skilled broadcast, sound, and video technicians. Whether it's radio shows or podcasts, TV shows or online media, or even live sporting events, you can find an exciting hands-on career in the field of broadcasting and audio and video production. At Gaston College, we'll help you explore the options and provide you with the skills and training you need to pursue the career of your dreams. You can get into so many different fields. The possibilities are endless. Whether it's having your own podcast, DJing a wedding, record bands, you could run your own videography business. We are a hands-on program. We like to demonstrate and do. It's a good balance of the technical and the creative. We have a 2-year degree option. It trains you in audio, video, script writing, speech, pretty much anything that you'll need for the field you get with a 2-year degree. We have an audio certificate, we have a video certificate, and then we have an audio video certificate where you get a little bit of both, and then we have a sports certificate as well. Salary-wise, because there are so many career options, it's really hard to nail down a specific salary that you'll get. We do have a couple partnerships with a lot of local organizations that are giving our students full-time jobs that pay really well. And now it's kind of cool because a lot of organizations are coming to us saying, we want your students because our reputation in the industry is growing. There are no limits to your momentum, and a degree or certificate from Gaston College is just the beginning of what you can achieve.